Bitch, when it's time to do that motherfucking middle part, this how you supposed to look, okay? Like this. Y'all bitches parts be over here, and this side, that side. Y'all be walking around with them motherfucking middle parts. Do you bitches be paying attention when y'all be getting y'all hair done? Nose big, small, tall, or whatever. Just make sure it's in the middle, okay? Bitches parts should look. You see that?
Welcome to the beauty side of life, where we talk everything hair. My name is Jay. I am a self-taught hairstylist, hair business owner, and hair lover. Before we get into the video, I would like to shed some light on my businesses. Chakey's Art is a hair service that I provide to my community, and a lifestyle doll playground is my wig company. I'm currently working on an artistic wig collection with fire designs, and I can't wait to show y'all.
You can stay updated with both of my businesses by following the social media above. Before we hop into the video, be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss an upload.
Bitch, when it's time to do that motherfucking middle part, this how you supposed to look, okay? Like this. Put the rat tail on your nose and smush it. Your nose should look like you hit the fucking windshield, bitch. Go like this, and then go up. Y'all bitches parts be over here, and this side, that side. Y'all be walking around with them motherfucking middle parts because you ain't pressing your motherfucking nose. Bitch, press on your nose and go up like that. You feel me? And then once you go through, pull it, straighten it up. Now, if you look, that motherfucker's still crooked. It's still going this way. Do you bitches be paying attention when y'all be getting y'all hair done? Because I swear y'all be walking out like this. And I'll be so fucking mad because your part is in the middle. Okay? It's not in the middle. It's in the middle. Now, what you got to do is, you see how that bitch crooked? You got to smush it again. Just smush. You can smush your nose all you want to. It's yours. Unless you went to the doctor, then I don't know what to do. I don't know. You pay for your nose. This ain't for you, Bookie. Don't smush nothing because I don't know what your doctor told you to do. Then you take your motherfucking hot comb, bitch. Hot comb that shit flat, okay? Ooh. 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 If you don't feel that heat in your brain cells, you ain't doing it right. Fuck. Not my gumdrop button. I can say that because I got a button nose. You bitches got watermelons. You big nose assholes. Still smush it. It don't matter, okay? Nose big, small, tall, or whatever. Just make sure it's in the middle, okay? A little to the left. Now see, this what the fuck you want. Add your motherfucking makeup. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what the fuck you supposed to look like at the end. This is how you bitches parts should look. You see that? You see how I line up with my motherfucking nose? That's what the fuck.